Welcome students in my channel Mathematics Adda. Students, today here I am with third lecture of chapter number system for class 9th students. Students, today I am going to discuss the following topics using formula to find one or more than one rational number between given any two rational number. Second topic I will discuss today to find out many rational number between given any two rational numbers without using formula. Third and last very important topic students, whatever I am going to discuss today, to convert a decimal number in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0 and pq are integers, in case of terminating decimal expansion and in case of non-terminating but repeating or recurring decimal expansion. Students, one by one you try to understand every topic. All these topics are very important and interesting topic. Try to understand, students. Okay, the first topic is here to find a rational number between given any two rational number, say R1 and R2. Students, firstly I am going to make clear to all of you that there exist infinitely many rational number between given any two rational number. Keeping this concept in the minds, we can find out many more rational number between given any two rational number by two ways. One, by using formula, another without using formula. How? I am telling you one by one. See it. So here the topic is to find a rational number between given any two rational number, say R1 and R2. Suppose in the number line, here I am indicating these two rational number R1 and R2. And students, we would like to find out a rational number between given any two rational number. Is there any rational number? Yes. See, this exactly lies in middle. What it will be? Remember always student, a rational number, it will be average of these two numbers. It will be average of R1 and R2. That is, you can get 1 by 2 of R1 plus R2. So formula can be, student, so formula can be, it is a rational number will be R1 plus R2 divided by 2, which is the average of these two rational number. See students, one example based on this formula. Question is, write or find a rational number between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 by formula. So students, here we are knowing the formula to find out a rational number between given any two rational number. Say here R1 equal to 1 by 2 and R2 equal to 1 by 3. So a rational number, since we know that the formula, a rational number, it could be R1 plus R2 by 2. Okay, put the respective values, students. You will get R1, it is here 1 by 2, R2 it is 1 by 3 upon 2. Now student, you solve this expression mathematical easily by taking LCM. What you will get here? This LCM is 6. So what you will get here? It will come 3 and here it will come 2. The whole thing is getting divided by 2. Further simplify, you will get it here 5 by 6 getting divided by 2. When you will simplify, you will get here 5 upon 12. This will come down. This is 5 upon 12. So 5 by 12 is a rational number lying between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. So in this way we can find out a rational number with the help of formula between given any two rational number. I hope students you are satisfied. So remember always, when you have to find out a rational number between given any two rational number, you have to use this formula, or simply a rational number between given any two rational number R1 and R2, it is nothing but it is the average of R1 and R2 which can be written in this way, whose formula is here. Okay students, now see one more example based on this. Question is here, find a rational number between 2 and 3 by using formula. Well students, see here, this is R1 and this is R2. Say we have considered, and both are rational number because these are natural number or counting number, and student we are knowing that our counting number are rational. So here given solution, a rational number, it can be R1 plus R2 by 2. Put the value, R1 is 2, R2 is 3 upon 2. What you are getting here? You are getting 5 by 2. So this is a rational number 5 by 2 which is lying between 2 and 3. It is greater than 2 and smaller than 3 because it will lie exactly in middle. Suppose if you are interested to see it diagrammatically, students, you can get in this way. Let 2 is here, let 3 is here. So whatever this 5 by 2 has been came, it will come exactly in middle. So this is here 5 by 2, a rational number, and this one is here R1 and this one is here R2. Similarly students, you can find out more than one rational number with the help of formula between given any two rational number. I am going to tell you, you try to understand easily. See, suppose the question is here, find any three rational number between 3 by 4 and 2 by 5 using formula. Okay, students, here we have to find out any three rational number between 3 by 4 and 2 by 5 using formula. Students, here it is present in the question any three. Why it is so? Because we all are knowing that there exist infinitely many rational number between given any two rational number. Out of those infinite, we have to find out any three. So now see it with the help of formula how to do. So first of all students, we will find out a rational number. See, I am telling you here, let here we are taking R1 equal to 3 by 4 and we are taking here R2 equal to 2 by 5. Fine student. So first of all, we will find out a rational number between this. What is it? You all are knowing. Say it is R3. Say it is R3. And here solution student, look it. Since we know that a rational number, it is what? It is average of the given two rational number. Say we have said here R3. So what will be R3? It will be R1 plus R2 by 2. What it could be, students? Put the respective values. See it here. R1 it is 3 by 4. R2 it is 2 by 5. Whole thing is getting divided by 2. We have to simplify. What we will get here, students? After simplification, here 20 is the LCM. Write it here. 4 5 ja 20, 5 3 ja 15, 5 4 ja 20, 4 2 ja 8, getting divided by 2. Now this 20 comes in denominator. What you will get here? 15 plus 8. You will get here 23 upon 40. This is R3. Here this is R3, which is 23 upon 40. Okay, students. So we have R3. It is 23 upon 40. In advance, it has been given R1 and R2. And students, we would like to find out R3, R4 and R5. Next three rational number. So here it is one of them, and remaining two, how to find, I am telling you, you try to understand easily. See the remaining two, what it could be with the help of formula, student. Easily you try to understand over here. See, in this diagram, if you look clearly, here R1 and R3 are now two rational number. In the same way, R3 and R2. As a student, we have found one rational number between R1 and R2 with the help of formula. In the same way, we can find out one more rational number between R1 and R3 by taking the average of R1 and R3. And in the same way, by taking the average of R3 and R2, we can find out one more rational number. See, students, so now we are going to find out this. Say this is R4 and say this is R5. What the formula you will design for this? R4, it is the average of R1 and R3. So you can note down R1 plus R3 upon 2, and R5 can be R3 plus R2 upon 2. Keeping this thing in the mind, we are going to find out the next two rational number with the help of formula. Now here R4, it can be R1 plus R3 upon 2. Now R3 we are knowing it is 23 upon 40. Student, put the respective value. R1 it is 3 by 4 plus R3 it is 23 upon 40, getting divided by 2. Take out the LCM of 4 and 40. You will get here 40. 4 10s are 40, 10 3s are 30, 41 are 40. It could be 23, getting divided by 2. When you will simplify, you will get this over here, and this it is 53 upon it is 80. This is another rational number between R1 and R2, lying between R1 and R3 as well as R1 and R2. Next, R5 it could be R3 plus R2 by 2. R3 it is here, student, 23 upon 40 plus R2 it is 2 upon 5, getting divided by 2. Take out the LCM of the denominators, you will get again 40. This is 23. This is here 5 8 is 48, 2 is 16, getting divided by 2. When you will simplify, you will get here 23 plus 16, it will be 639, 213 39 upon 40, 2 is 80. So in this way, students, we have three rational number with the help of formula between R1 and R2. What are these, students? This is R3 and this one is R4 and this one is R5, which are here and here. In this way, with the help of formula, we have found one rational number between given any two rational number, also more than one rational number between given any two rational number. I hope, student, it is clear to all of you. Now, students, suppose you have to find out many rational number between given any two rational number without formula, without using formula. How you can find? I am telling you, you try to understand clearly. Well, students, now see. To find out many rational number between given any two rational number without using formula, see student, how to find out. I am telling you easily, you try to understand. Take a question, students. This is example here. Find any 6 rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. This is the question, students. How to do? Here it has been not mentioned that you have to use formula or not to use formula, and here you have to find out 6 rational number. So in such case, student, how to proceed? I am telling you, you try to understand here. Solution. Let here R1 it is 2 by 3 and R2 it is 3 by 4. These are two given rational number. If students you are interested to solve it without using formula, so how to proceed I am telling you. First of all process here. First of all check the denominators are same or not. So first check to the denominators, they are same or not. They are same or not. If same, then okay. If not same, then first equate them. Equate them. This is the first point. So look here. Here it is 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. The denominators are not same. How you will proceed? Go through by LCM. To equate the denominator, go through by LCM. Go through by LCM of denominators. LCM of denominators. Here, what to write? Since denominators are not same, so first we take LCM of denominators to convert the like denominators. See here, LCM of 3 and 4, it is 12. Now we have to maintain 12 as a denominator in these two given rational number by using the concept of multiplicative identity. So now R1 it is 2 by 3, it becomes, see we want 12 in denominator, so by what number we will multiply to 3? By 4. So we will multiply numerator and denominator both by 4. What we have now? Here 2 4s are 8, 4 3s are 12. In the same way to the R2, it is 3 by 4 and we want 12 here. So by what number denominator 4 will get multiplied? 4 3s are 12. So by 3 we will multiply numerator and denominator. What we will get, student, here? 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. This is the first step. Okay students, see just after it how to proceed. I am telling you, easily you try to understand. The second important point, students, next here, next point number 2. Now see how many rational number to find out. See here, 6 rational number in the question has been given to find out. Since 6 rational number to find, so take n equal to 6. Now multiply both numerator and denominator in the given rational number by n plus 1. Add 1 in this given number. That is here 6 plus 1. That is 7. What you will get? See, solution I am going to keep continue over here. So now what it could be? 8 by 12 is going to be multiplied by n plus 1, which is 7. And here this 9 by 12 going to multiply by 7. What you will get here? 8 7 ja 56, this 12 7 ja 84, and here 9 7 ja 63 and 12 7 ja 84. So now 6 rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4 are, it could be here students, just after 56 what will come? 57 by 84, 58 by 84, 59 by 84, here 60 by 84, 61 by 84, 62 by 84. These are the number line between these two rational numbers. These are 6 in number, whose simplest form is here 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. In this way, students, you have seen easily how we have found 6 rational number between given any 2 rational number without using formula. This is the process. Students, see one more question based on this concept. I am going to tell you clearly. I hope you have got this point easily, because here I have explained clearly. Okay students, now one more question. I am giving you the case when the denominators are same. The question is, find any 10 rational number between 2 by 5 and 3 by 5. See to this question. Here student, since here denominators are same, so no need to take out LCM. Now easily you can proceed. Since here n equal to 10, because we have to find out 10 rational number between given these 2 rational number. Here n equal to 10, so we will multiply numerator and denominator of both rational number by n plus 1. That is here 10 plus 1, which is 11. See it easily. Solution here students, you can get 2 by 5 can be multiplied by 11 in numerator and denominator, and same thing 3 by 5. What you will get students? You will get here 2 11 is 22, this is 55, and here 33 upon 55. So 10 rational number between 2 by 5 and 3 by 5 are, just go ahead from 22 and near 33. It will be 23 upon 55, 24 upon 55, 26 upon 55, 27 upon 55, 28 upon 55, 29 upon 55, 30 upon 55, 31 upon 55, 32 upon 55. These are 10 rational number between 22 by 55 and 33 by 55, whose simplest form is 2 by 5 and 3 by 5. Is it clear students? I hope all of you are perfectly satisfied. In this way students, today in this lecture I have made clear to all of you that with the help of formula how to find out one or more rational number between given any two rational number, and how to find out many rational number without using formula between given any two rational number. I hope students all of you have got my point clearly, easily. Students, I am putting some question for you which you have to do the practice based on this topic. And student, one thing I want to tell you, I will put this concept in my next lecture because it is enough for this lecture. Okay students, now see some question for the practice. All of you note down. Here questions are worksheet for practice. Find a rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 5 using formula. Next question, find any three rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4 using formula. Third, find any 5 rational number between 0 and 2. Fourth, find any 6 rational number between 2 by 7 and 3 by 7. The last question, find any 15 rational number between 3 by 11 and 7 by 13. This is the simple worksheet for practice. Student, you have to do yourself. I hope all of you have enjoyed this lecture clearly. Whatever I have described today, this is the worksheet. You have to do the practice, and whatever the concept I have told you clearly stepwise, always keep in your mind. Very easily you can solve such type of the problem. One or two question definitely come in your exam, internal as well as annual exams along with the half yearly. So students, take these topics seriously. I have explained it clearly. Well students, so this is enough for today's lecture. Students, to get more notifications related to my videos and lectures, all of you can subscribe my channel Mathematics Adda by DS Chauhan. Thank you.